Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at 2017 Toyota Yaris LE. This is a 5-passenger hatchback in classic silver, and under the hood you'll find a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder driving on 15-inch wheels. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our panic button. Press that unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. On the top here you have your power windows and locks. On the bottom you have some storage space. Next to the door, you'll find your power adjustable side mirrors as well as your lighting options. And underneath, you do have your pre-collision system. This Yaris is equipped with all-weather mats and black cloth seating. And on the bottom, you have your manual seating adjustment handles. Let's start it up. We got our key fob here. We're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel. You have these arrows right here, and this will just help you cycle through any audio that's playing. You also have your volume buttons, and if we press this mode, this will cycle through your different audio options. Taking a look on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your lane departure alert, and your cruise control speed settings are right behind the wheel there. Before we move on to our screen, just to show you that this Yaris does have 40,467 kilometers on it. Moving on to our screen right now, we are on AM. If we press audio and go into all, that'll take you to your sources. You have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between USB, CD, auxiliary, and a Bluetooth device. Moving down to our climate control system, you got these nice smooth turning dials. Of course, you have your AC button in the center here as well. And below that, you'll find your 12-volt outlet as well as your USB and auxiliary. 2 cup holders as well as some storage space. Inside the back here, we are continuing with the all-weather mats and the black cloth seating. These seats do fold down. All we got to do is just pull this upwards, and that comes down, giving you access to your cargo. To access the cargo, we got this button right underneath here. Just give that a press. In the back of this hatchback, you still have plenty of space. Like I mentioned, the rear seats do fold down. That'll give you that extra bit of room. You also have this nice little cargo cover. We can look underneath here, and you here have your spare tire in case one ever goes out on you. Taking a last look at a 2017 Toyota Yaris. Once again, some of those great interior features include your cruise control, Bluetooth compatibility, and your pre-collision system. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.